Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open Virustotal Mobile and grant basic permissions for storage and notifications. Use the main Scan tab to analyze apps, files, URLs, and installed apps. Tap the file or app icon to upload a sample for scanning by 70+ engines. The upload shows progress and file size, often under 200 MB for quick scans. Results show detections, detection ratio, and engine names in a consolidated list. Tap any engine, result to read details, and community comments. To scan installed apps, open the Apps tab and start a local analysis. The app checks signatures, package names, and behavior against Virustotal databases. For URLs, use the URLs tab and paste the full address including https:// The service flags phishing, malware, and suspicious redirects with a detection percentage. Save scans to your account to track changes over time and to receive notifications. Use the Quick Share button to send results as a report or as a permalink. Review privacy. Virustotal may share file metadata with partners, but not your full account password. Use the app settings to enable or disable automatic uploads and limit uploads over cellular to Wi-Fi only. For automated workflows, use the public API key with a 4 requests per minute rate limit. Follow a 500 MB daily upload guideline when sending large sample files for analysis. Keep your API key secret and rotate it if exposed. Finally,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.